waiting for her to join. Hi, Nikita.
Hi, Shivani. How are you?
I am good, Nikita. I am good. How are you?
I'm doing great.
I am so used to calling you Kak that now it's I am feeling difficulty to call you Nikita.
I know. And it's like my brother is also going to join this live session and he'll be going
Yeah.
like, okay, I'm also Kak.
Yeah, I know. I mean, it's like I'm taking it's so much effort to call you Nikita, but yeah, I'll try
I
not to
know.
call you
I know.
session.
The
Hi
nicknames.
guys. Hi guys. Okay, I think we can start, Nikita, and then maybe people will join and we'll continue, right?
Sure.
Uh, Hi guys, so you guys know me. My name is Shivani, and so today, rather than having a regular session that I have, I just come, I talk about my life, about my day, how is everything going. I thought, why not to do a different kind of a session today? So I thought to bring in a I don't know how to describe her. I'll start with a very, very dear friend of mine. She is the bubbliest girl that I have met. She can make you laugh in seconds. She's an angel. Just love her. Okay, and she has an amazing account. She is also a blogger, a fashion blogger, plus size model. And please do follow her. Nikita, I would request you to please comment your handle so that I
Sure.
can pin it so that people can follow you,
Okay.
right?
I'll do that.
And guys, she does a fabulous job. Please go and follow her. But today, our agenda was not at all to talk about our lives and how are things going on and all that, because the things are same. We are in COVID, right? We are in lockdown, so things are more or less same from the last 4 months that I've been talking to you. What say, Kar? Oh, sir. See, I told you
I
I'll
know. It's
start
totally
saying
fine.
Kar.
I think people will get it.
Yeah. So her name is Nikita Kak. So I always call her Kak with love. So today I was
Yeah.
telling her that it's going to be very difficult for me to call her Nikita. So guys, please welcome Nikita Kak today on my channel. And please know I just love this woman. Just love this woman for what she is. She's bold. She knows what she wants and she goes and she achieves it. And
Oh my
I
God.
love such women. Yeah. Yes, Kak. Yes. Hi guys, hi. I'm so sorry. Kak, there's a message for you, ma'am. Looking
Oh,
beautiful, bright
hi.
smile.
Sorry guys, this is my like first live session and I have no idea. And Shivani is like a pro. And I remember Shivani, I think it was like 4 years back, 5 years back when I met you and I was like, I'll just go and check out her account. And I was like, oh my God, so many followers. This girl is like all over the place with so beautiful pictures. And you got me inspired. Let me tell you, and I have
Absolutely.
told you like 100 times that you got me inspired. And
Thank
yeah, and then and you know me, Shivani, I wasn't someone who was into fashion or grooming. I would like wear my casual clothes and go to the parties. So I was never someone who was very excited about fashion or something like, okay, I'll go and do some makeup and tricks. No, I wasn't. But when I saw your profile and I was like, oh my God, with little efforts, if you put on yourself, you can be little better. And I think plus size women are always like, we cannot look beautiful, or beauty is for certain size. So
that's
I
bullshit.
started taking exactly. So I started taking baby steps from there, and yeah, achieved little. I'm not there where I want to be, but yeah, started.
You always evolve, Nikita. I think with age you keep on evolving. That
True,
evolution never
very true,
stops. You keep on becoming better and better. I think, which with
exactly.
each day, right? You realize what you want. You realize how do you really want to look, and then your inhibitions regarding your looks, weight, and all of that start going with age.
Too many
That's the best part.
inhibitions. Too many inhibitions.
Hi,
I think
Priyanka.
it
There are a lot of comments. Sorry, so I keep on, seeing. Okay, guys,
uh,
I'm sorry we are missing your comments. We are going to come in between and we are going to check your comments. Thank you so much for all the comments and joining us today.
yep.
So today we are going to talk about a very, very, very a topic that
Sensitive
is
topic.
sensitive topic. Yes, we are going to talk about pseudo feminism. Yes, two women coming together and talking about pseudo feminism. I know it sounds little absurd, right? But then
Very.
we thought that yes, because feminism has changed the way it used to be and people used to think about it, the way it has started. I think somebody has to start talking about it, and if it comes from women, nothing like it. What do you say,
Yeah.
Nikita?
True. Shivani, I will just give you a quick example. You know that I gave an audition for Radio Mirchi, right? And I was selected as an RJ, but I rejected it because I wanted to continue with my corporate career. After like 6-7 months, I met that HR in one of the pubs. And that HR mentioned me that अच्छा हुआ आपने रिजेक्ट कर दिया, पैनल में कुछ लोगों को लग रहा था आप बहुत ज्यादा फेमिनिस्ट हो. And I stopped for a second, and I was like, isn't it good? And he was like, ma'am, आप बहुत ज्यादा feminist हो.
What is
And
बहुत ज़्यादा
that,
feminist?
and that time it hit me that when did feminism took a wrong turn and it became
Yeah.
something very negative.
Yes.
Feminism was started because they wanted to, lift women up. But right now, feminism is like derogatory. When you say
I
she's a
think
feminist,
I think now the definition of feminism has become that one definition is certainly that they just have this idea that all men are just out
yeah,
there to they are
exactly.
stalkers, they are out there to assault. There are no more good men, which is the worst
Exactly. There's a
that
very thin line,
idea.
शिवानी. There's a very thin line between कि
Definitely.
ये वर्ल्ड जो है औरतों की वजह से चलता है और ये वर्ल्ड जो है सिर्फ औरतों की वजह से चलता है.
Exactly. I love that point, Nikita. I'm gonna quote
Exactly.
it, marking you.
So that's a different. I went to a comedy club once, and it was International Women's Day, where that lady started with कि women कितनी important होती हैं, and then she said कि अगर हम ना होते तो ये ना होते, ये लोग ना होते. And I was like, this is so wrong. This is
This is
such a
so
wrong
wrong.
sentence. अगर मर्द भी ना होते तो भी तुम नहीं होते.
तो भी तुम
It's
नहीं
not one way street.
That's what I say, Kak, and that is why I hate pseudo feminism. Kak, till I think 4 years back, I used to feel proud and I used to tell people that I'm feminist. And by the way, I have written an article why I'm a feminist, why is it good. No more, Kak, no more, because
I
it's
know.
derogatory, as you said, because the
True.
complete idea is changed. I don't know why we are pulling down men at many aspects. Trust me, it's. I mean, I see Twitter and all. People just say that men are
Bashing
dogs, all
man.
men are same, and men are just.
Exactly.
It
हम
is equality.
उस आइडियोलॉजी को कि जो औरतें हैं वो सिर्फ किचन में अच्छी लगती हैं, उसको हम रॉन्ग प्रूव करने के चक्कर में हम मर्द को नीचे ले आए. Do
Which
you
is not
understand?
fair. Which is not
Exactly,
fair.
it's not fair. It's not a competition कि ये आगे हैं या वो आगे हैं. Feminism is all about equality. Like if I am comfortable in cooking things, it's my life, it's my choice. If I'm not, then it should not be my gender role.
Another point, Nikita, that I was talking about. The first point is that we're bringing men down. The second thing I think is that this pseudo feminism is all about bringing down traditional aspects of a woman. If a woman wants to keep a karwa chauth, oh my God, there's so much negativity
Very.
on Twitter. You see about karwa chauth, about wearing sari, about wearing mangal sutra. It's a women's choice. I love doing all that, Kak. I mean, I love doing karwa chauth. I've done it for 13 years, and it's my favorite festival. I love fasting and doing all of that. It's my choice. I mean, how can somebody come and tell me that, you know what, you're a slave? That's another
Exactly.
point of pseudo feminism that I hate. I hate it.
And people are like always bashing on करवा चौथ की सिर्फ औरतें क्यों रखेंगी and this and that, मर्द क्यों नहीं रख रहे. अरे बेचारे मर्दों को किसी ने बताया ही नहीं कि रखना है.
And they're keeping
इसलिए
it. By the way, I have a lot of friends.
they are. Shivani, times are changing. I am a newly married person, and when I want to cook, I cook, and my husband is not like, you have to cook. And he's
Right.
like, I'll chop the vegetables and you can cook, and that's how you divide the responsibilities.
Right.
And majorly, I think that this idea of allocating roles to a particular gender is mostly because of movies. Do you remember जब पुरानी movies होती थी, तो अगर आप लड़के के घर लड़की वाले देखने गए हैं तो जो लड़की है वो चाय समोसे लेके आएगी. अगर आप लड़के के घर गए हैं तो लड़के की माँ लेकर आएगी.
Correct.
अगर
Yes,
लड़के का अगर लड़की का बाप हाथ मांग रहा है तो वो एक खाली सूटकेस देता था कि जब इस सूटकेस को भर के ले आओगे तो मेरे से हाथ मांगने आना. तो इट्स नॉट अबाउट विमेन, इट्स ऑल्सो अबाउट मेन कि इफ वी आर नॉट सेइंग कि हमारी जगह किचन में नहीं है, देन व्हाई आर मेन पुट अंडर रेडार दैट तुम्हारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है स्टेबिलिटी. तुम्हारी
Pay
रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है
घर
घर
चलाना.
गाड़ी सब हो.
Correct, correct. That's another point, by the way. I know a lot of
Exactly.
women, ka, obviously I can't name anybody, but they torture their husbands to death for that amazing bungalow, for that amazing
Exactly.
car, for that amazing lifestyle, and they really torture their
एंड
men.
एंड शिवानी, इट्स नॉट समथिंग न्यू. हम में से बहुत लोग होंगे जो बोलेंगे कि नहीं, आई एम अ फेमिनिस्ट एंड डू एंड दिस एंड दैट, बट देन दे गो बैक होम एंड दे रिलाई ऑन देयर men to, you know, support them financially or
Yes,
by any means. You're
true,
not supposed to do that. You are putting men under pressure कि
true.
तुम अगर 40-50 हजार कमाते हो, then you are not enough, you're not doing enough. but क्योंकि देखो वर्ल्ड क्या कर रहे हैं, so you cannot expect equality just one ways, and I think
Yes.
that is pseudo feminism.
And
जहाँ
when men does that, ka, then we say, oh my God, feminism, feminism, feminism.
exactly,
When
exactly.
you don't cook food, that's it. That we take a offense on that. I completely agree, Kak. I completely agree.
So
And somehow,
it's
no,
bit hypocrite.
yes, and it's overloaded now. That kind of feminism, no, it's everywhere. I don't know why women are promoting
True.
it. I don't know why women are into it, and I have no idea, Kak, why women are supporting it. It's not equality, guys. It is not equality. It is some shit that has been thrown at us. I don't know from where that idea has come.
Both men and women basically shit.
Yeah.
Because I think earlier it was like कि लड़कियों को पढ़ाना नहीं चाहिए क्योंकि तुम्हें घर संभालना है, लड़कों को जो है बाहर जाके नौकरी करना है. तो बहुत क्लैरिटी थी कि सिर्फ यही करने हैं.
Correct.
नाउ देयर वाज अ मिडिल एज. आई थिंक आवर पेरेंट्स, माय मदर, she used to go to school, like she used to go at 6 o'clock, she used to come back at 5 p.m, but then she was responsible for all 3 meals of the day.
Right.
So उनको दोनों चीजें संभालनी पड़ी. I think
Right.
वहां भी हमने थोड़ी सक्सेस कर ली कि she was going out, she was earning for herself, and she was financially stable because she wanted to do it. Now, because women folks are aware that if I am also bringing money home, if I am also respecting whatever the man wants to do, then I think we are equally responsible to handle everything, basically
Yeah,
everything.
yes, yes. Even
So
household chores. Yeah,
exactly,
everything.
anything,
Right,
anything.
I agree.
So
with you.
yeah, that's one thing. I think that is a pseudo feminism. But yeah, I just don't want that, because under the shelter of pseudo feminism, feminism कहीं मर ना जाए.
मर रहा है, निकिता, मर
हाँ,
रहा है.
actually
People
वही
are-
मर रहा है.
People are no more talking about empowering women. People are no more talking about education for women. People are no more, and the feminism is all about, they think, letting women wear short clothes is feminism. The direction has changed. That
The
short
tattoos.
clothes is, and by the way, there are a lot of influencers who are promoting it as shitty. That the idea of feminism is the empowerment of feminism is wearing short clothes, letting a me wear short clothes. It's your
Exactly.
choice. But that is not feminism. Please do not name it as feminism or empowerment of women.
It's as basic as if you want, if a dad, एक लड़की का बाप अगर हाथ अपनी लड़की का कहीं देना चाहता है, he'll be always looking at a man who is very stable, financially stable हो, घर हो, गाड़ी हो, ये हो, वो हो. They would prefer that rather than empowering their own child. उनकी अपनी लड़की को आप उस लायक बनाओ कि आपको इसकी जरूरत ना पड़े कि कोई और उस पर डिपेंडेंट हो. So it's all about making them independent. It's all about having
Yes.
that equal responsibilities. That's
Yes.
it.
That's it. That's what I say. It has to be equal. Equal means equal. That's it. In every aspect of life, in earning or in anything. And if a man is
Anything.
earning, it's okay to be a housewife. It's perfectly good. It's perfectly okay to be traditional. I always say this. Again, I'm giving you my example that I love doing karwa chauths. I love doing fasting. I love when I wear traditional. I love to put sindoor.
You love wearing saris.
Yes, I love wearing. There is nothing wrong. But then there are some comments, Kak, that I get. Why are you doing karwa chauth? It means that you are empowering that enslavement for women. Where did that point of slavery?
I have no idea. And on the contrary, Shivani, like you said that you love wearing saris, I am someone who hates. I hate wearing saris because I cannot handle. So and it's. I think we never had an issue of feminism at my home. ये मुझे बाद में पता चला बाहर जाके जब मैंने दुनिया में देखा, because when my parents were raising us, me and my elder brother, they were very clear that जितने important इसके marks हैं उतने important तुम्हारे हैं. because I think when it's in our culture, it is very important कि लड़की एक पढ़ी लिखी हो, financially stable हो, तब आपकी शादी होती है.
हाँ,
So
correct.
I did not see that, but when I stepped out, I saw many of my friends. They were like कि मैंने अपनी बेटी की शादी के लिए 30 लाख सेव करके रखा है.
Oh, that's
Okay, this is
common.
bullshit. वो 30 lakhs आप उनकी पढ़ाई पे लगाओ, उनकी इंडिपेंडेंस पे लगाओ, so that she can be independent, she can have that, give that financial stability to the man. Why not?
Yeah. On the contrary, Nikita, so see, I belong to a very, very traditional family. My dad is, because I belong to a very small town called Saharanpur. So the society is
Yeah,
very still out there somewhere, in 90s there still, right? So we are, my father never, said anything, or he has given the best of education to four of us. But when it came to going out and start working, he had those conventional thoughts. He said, no, 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 you can't, and all of that. So by the way, I just ran from home. So that way I'm a rebel. I just ran away one day. I took some 500 bucks from my mom. I went to Delhi and I just gave him some goli.
oh
I
my
said कि
god,
मुझे IS की तैयारी करनी है तो मुझे दिल्ली में रहना है. So I've gone to that
ऐसे
level.
ही बड़े लोग बनते हैं.
But when Nikita, when he understood, trust me, when he understood the idea, and now he forces my sisters to do it, and he has, and my sisters, my cousins, he's the one who has become an advocate of equality now. He goes to people and say that अपनी लड़की को पढ़ाओ, उसको आगे बढ़ाओ, उसको जॉब करने दो.
That's what, times are changing.
Yeah, and he's the one who's supporting my sister in her business now. She's just 24. She has her own
Wow,
business. Yeah, and he's completely full-heartedly supporting her with anything, whether it is financial help or whether it is CA का help चाहिए. Papa office खोलना है, Papa. He's full-heartedly helping her. So a person
that is feminism.
yes, that is feminism. Now he has come to a point where he's supporting his daughters, even to me. He supports me like anything, in any decision of mine. I go, I travel. He doesn't say anything now. He just says, just take care. So you can change those old ideologies also, but from the right way. You show them why is it right. You
Exactly.
don't fight and
Yes.
you don't start that nonsensical things saying that all the things that we do in pseudo feminism, bringing men down and all of that.
Exactly.
Prove it to them. And by the way, I'm seeing a lot of men who are supporting the real feminism these days. I
That's
have
what I'm saying.
yes,
Times have changed. I am not. It's very rare nowadays to see
yes,
that. I have a lot of newly married friends. I think my best of my friends are just married. Everyone, and I have seen. उनके भी घर में they are equally they have equally divided roles. If I will wash the utensils, my husband can cook. If I am cooking, my husband will wash the utensils. So it's now men are very clear that okay, I am not supposed to brag just because I am a man. She and me, we are equal in a marriage. That's why we call life partners,
सही
right?
बात,
The better halves.
right.
So now things are changing. Men are changing.
Yeah, a lot of change, and this generation is already changed. It's just that
Yes, I
change is
agree.
still coming in the older generation of our parents and our grandparents. But I think it is also on the way, Kak. They are changing now. I've seen it in my dad, and if my dad can change, I feel anybody can change. Anybody.
Ex- I totally agree because now they
हाँ,
are seeing that okay, and I won't say just it's I would never say that men are at fault. अभी भी it's not just हमारे दोस्त या our families. There are a lot of families who are still facing these issues. Still, women cannot go out. Still, women
yes,
cannot
yes,
wear whatever they want to do. So I know there are cases, but इसमें who is the culprit? आप किसको बोलोगे कि okay, this is the person जो गलत है? I think it is about upbringing. The parents
it is
have to
about.
change. It will start from there because we have seen a lot कि कभी अगर brother होता है घर में तो मम्मी बोल देती है कि उसको बेटा खाना दे दो या भैया के कपड़े अंदर रख दो या anything as basic as like that, and they don't have anything wrong at their heart, but
Yeah, yeah.
then you are feeding in men that person's mind कि she's supposed to do those things.
Because of the
Your
sheep.
sister is exactly, and then he replaces other person, and now you're supposed to do that. So I think the parents wala generation needs to bring that change in the upbringing that okay dude, you have to wash utensils and you ma'am have to learn a lot and be financially dependent.
Starting to
Independence.
see, we cannot just expect a generation to change in minutes, right? It's gonna take time, and I think we should give them that time. Uh,
I think Khushbu is saying women are suffering because the harsh truth in
I
is our own gender doesn't support women at times.
I agree, and I always
I
tell to my
agree.
friends that women are a women's enemies. Men will You will always
Exactly.
see men supporting women, Nikita.
There are
It
a
is
lot of
women.
men.
It is women who bring other women down. That's another
Mostly,
problem.
mostly I have seen. So I have a friend. I won't name obviously,
No, don't.
but yeah, yeah. Because I have a friend who was in this quarantine. He was like, "यार मुझे शादी करनी पड़ेगी." I was like, "Why?" बोलते मैं अकेले खाना बना नहीं सकता इतना. एंड आई वाज लाइक तो तुम्हारे क्वारंटीन के लॉकडाउन में तुम्हारा शादी करा दे क्योंकि तुम्हें खाने की कमी हो रही है. एंड ही वाज लाइक या एंड व्हेन वी वर हैविंग दिस ग्रुप कॉल हिज मदर वाज सेइंग फ्रॉम द बैकग्राउंड हम तो इसके लिए वही लाएंगे जो अच्छे से खाना बनाती हो, हमें कोई काम करने वाली नहीं चाहिए.
हाँ, see,
उन्हें काम करने वाली बहू नहीं चाहिए, उन्हें खाना बनाने वाली
खाना
बहू
बनाने वाली
चाहिए.
बहू
आई
चाहिए.
थिंक व्हाई दैट फिल्टर, why that filter? It is good if she cooks. Rather you should be like तू खाना बनाना सीख. But they
तुझे
would be
करना
like
है तो
हाँ हम
कर.
खाना बनाने वाली बहू लाएंगे.
Correct.
Oh
It's
my
still
god.
there. I agree.
Yeah. And it why always like just Khushbu mentioned that it's most of the women who are there as saying that ये मेरा बेटा ये काम क्यों करेगा, ये तुम्हें करना है चाहिए, ये तुम्हारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज है. मोस्टली बिकॉज उनके भी माइंड में ये है कि हमने भी तो किया है हमारे टाइम पे.
वही होता है ना, डायलॉग वही होता है, हमने भी तो
हमने
किया
भी तो
है.
हमारे टाइम पे किया है बेटा. या भी अभी सीमा आंटी बहुत न्यूज में है, सीमा तपारिया की कॉम्प्रोमाइज तो करना पड़ेगा बेटा आपको.
हाँ,
क्यों करना
that needs to
पड़ेगा?
be
जस्ट
that.
बिकॉज पुराने लोग कर रहे हैं इसका मतलब ये नहीं है वो सही है.
हाँ, करेक्ट, करेक्ट.
जस्ट बिकॉज पुराने लोग कर रहे हैं इसका मतलब है वी हैव टू इवॉल्व विद टाइम. थिंग्स
हाँ,
चेंज विद टाइम,
things change
सो
with
यू
that.
हैव टू चेंज योर सेल्फ विद टाइम. So I think pseudo feminism is killing feminism somewhere.
I will say that it has already killed a part of it, Nikita, because अगर आज किसी को बोलो ना मैं फेमिनिस्ट हूँ तो लोग बहुत नेगेटिविटी से देखते हैं कि अच्छा एक
बहुत
और आ
ज्यादा.
गई, एक और आ
हाँ.
गई जिसको छोटे कपड़े पहनने, एक और आ गई जो ऐसे फालतू चीजों की एडवोकेट करेगी. सो
Exactly.
वो एक परसेप्शन बन चुका है निकिता, तो मर चुका है जो real feminist था.
Feminists are those जो दूसरे you know you will start disrespecting elders or you know you would have. मुझे तो ये बहुत डायलॉग सुनने में आता है कि जबान तुम्हारी कैची की तरह चरचर चलती है. मुझे मुझे बहुत डायलॉग सुनने में आता है ये
मैंने
क्योंकि
बहुत
और
सुना था, बहुत.
क्योंकि मोस्टली मुझे तब आता है जब मैं आई हैव स्ट्रॉन्ग ओपिनियंस, आई हैव वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग ओपिनियंस अबाउट थिंग्स एंड आई डोंट एक्चुअली मैं दूसरी बार नहीं सोचती बिफोर ब्रिंगिंग देम टू टेबल, आई जस्ट से इट. सो पीपल वुड बी लाइक बहुत जबान चलती है तुम्हारी कैचे की तरह. किनको हु आर यू नो ट्राइंग टू बी स्ट्रॉन्ग बिकॉज उनके माइंड में है कि लड़कियों को आवाज नहीं उठानी चाहिए. लाइक इफ अगर आपको कोई लड़की वाले देखने आए हैं, लड़के वाले देखने आए हैं और लड़की कुछ भी नहीं बोलती तो शी इज सपोज टू बी संस्कारी.
हाँ, करेक्ट.
अगर बेटा कुछ भी नहीं बोलती वो संस्कारी है और ये ज्यादा बात करती है तो आई हैव लॉट ऑफ फ्रेंड्स who don't speak and they have like done so much in their life and I am someone who has done all of the charchar but
I
so
agree, Kav. So I
yeah.
think there are two aspects for us. There are women who really need upliftment. There are issues that really need to be addressed, right? But we are killing those issues, the real issues, with the kind of bullshit that we are doing on the name of feminism.
Yeah.
Right. So there are issues. I will not say that there are still women.
Lot of issues.
Yeah, there are still girls who I don't know. I mean, गांव में अगर आप देखो का उनको नहीं पढ़ाते हैं लड़कियों को. आज भी मुझे पता है क्योंकि मैं भी गांव से हूँ and I know a lot of people, a lot of friends नहीं पढ़ाते हैं. अभी भी वहाँ पे वही है
क्योंकि
कि
वो
लड़की
पढ़
की
के
शादी
क्या
करनी है.
करेंगी,
क्या करेगी पढ़ के?
क्या. और क्योंकि ये वही लोग हैं कि लड़कियां पढ़ के क्या करेंगी तो चलो एक बहुत अमीर लड़का इनके लिए ढूंढ के लाते हैं. तो ये दिस इज अ विशियस सर्कल. ये आप समझ रहे हो क्योंकि हम लड़की को भी नहीं पढ़ाएंगे, लड़का भी अमीर चाहिए तो आप दोनों के ऊपर स्ट्रेस डाल रहे हो. लड़के के ऊपर भी आप ये स्ट्रेस डाल रहे हो कि सुनो तुम्हें यू आर द वन हु हैज टू अर्न मनी, अ लॉट ऑफ मनी एंड यू आर द वन जिसको घर चलाना है. तो ये कोई बीच में तीसरा इंसान डिसाइड कर रहा है दोनों जेंडर्स के लिए.
और
So
वैसे ही
yeah,
उनकी
that's
जिंदगी चलती है काक. फिर उसके बाद जैसे डिसाइड हो गया वैसे ही उनकी जिंदगी चलती है. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस जनरेशन. ये जनरेशन में तो बहुत चेंज आ गया है.
बहुत चेंज आया. ट्रू.
But still, I see people who are married in like my town in Saharanpur and all. They still live with those notions. Still, it's the same. So there is where the change is required. There is where the real feminism is required, and it's killed because of, yeah. We started our topic with pseudo feminism. Yeah, so
Yeah,
say
that's fair.
already gone
I
to.
wanted to ask you one thing, Shivani. What are these statements which trigger you like anything? There are a lot of statements. जैसे मुझे एक statement basic मुझे personally बहुत बुरा लगता है जब लोग बोलते हैं कि ये जब कोई गलत गाड़ी चलाता है तो बोलते हैं पक्का कार में औरत होगी, ठीक है? या फिर
Heard it.
my there was a when I was trying to lose weight and I was in gym, तो एक लड़का लगा रहा था पुशअप्स एंड द ट्रेनर वाज लाइक कम ऑन यू कैन डू इट, कम ऑन 1 2 3, क्या लड़कियों की तरह पुशअप्स लगा रहा है? And I got so furious in my mind. Obviously, I couldn't say anything क्योंकि आप फेमिनिज्म का झंडा हर जगह नहीं फहरा सकते. I got so furious कि I right now in my list I have like 5 strong women जो 100 push-ups एक बार में लगा लेंगी. And they are so strong. They do
Yeah.
work out like anything. But then you use that term derogatory. Like it's क्या लड़कियों की तरह रो रहा है या फिर क्या लड़कियों की तरह push-ups लगा रहा है? Because you have decided in your mind कि women is weak.
Is
So
weak.
I think that is the
that
point
is
जहाँ
where
हमें
that is where the real feminism is required, Kak. Not
exactly.
the things that we are putting our minds into now. I'm telling you, it's I am so fed up of seeing the kind of issues that we are bringing on the by you know for on the name of feminism and empowering women. Like, हमको छोटे कपड़े पहनने दो because of feminism.
Feminist.
हमको हाँ feminist. Oh my God, those are like, I just feel like getting into my phone and sometimes slap those women. That guys, कपड़े पहनना is not the only feminist thing.
I
Please
know
stop it.
it's more about choices. It's
It's
more
more
about
about
choices.
talk
आपको
about.
पहनने दो, लेकिन किसी साड़ी पहनने वाले को जज मत करो.
Yes, that's my problem. सिंदूर लगाने वाले को जज मत करो आप. जो फास्ट
Exactly.
हाउस वाइफ को जज मत करो. डोंट थिंक कि वो बेचारी हाउस वाइफ है तो यू थिंक कि अरे वो तो उसको तो स्लेव है, उसको तो
कोई
किसी
काम ही नहीं
आदमी
है
ने दबा
इनको.
दिया होगा. करेक्ट करेक्ट.
हाँ, these are also a very good point, Shivani. कि अगर कोई अपने she wants to be a housewife, so people are like कि इसका पति इसको काम करने नहीं देता होगा.
My sister, she's a housewife and she's very happy. She doesn't want to work. She says,
Exactly.
you know
Her
Shafali, right?
choice.
She says, my choice. I want to be a housewife. I love keeping my things nice and maintaining my house and all. I don't work. And we
And
torture
it
her.
is a big job.
By the way, that's
Sure.
another, I think, another problem that we torture her. Go out, work, work, work. She's fed up of us. She says that do not torture me. That's another point. All of us, including my dad.
And
So
consciously, subconsciously, we all do that. We all end up doing that. कि हम कहीं ना कहीं बोलते हैं क्या घर पे बैठी हुई है पूरा टाइम, जाओ कुछ करो. हम क्यों कर रहे हैं विदाउट रियलाइजिंग? आई एम नॉट सेइंग आई एम समवन जिसने कभी जिंदगी में सती सावित्री बोला ही नहीं हो, ऐसा ऐसा भी नहीं है. हमने भी एवरीवन इज जजमेंटल. सो इट कम्स इनटू माय माइंड आल्सो कि यार ये क्या है, कुछ काम क्यों नहीं करती है ये, रादर देन जस्ट क्लिकिंग सेल्फीज एंड बीइंग अ हाउसवाइफ. बट you have to change that mindset.
Nikita, it's a
You
tough
have
job.
to think ki that person is comfortable doing that. Those two people are very comfortable with that life. It's okay then.
Not comfortable. She's happy. Trust me, she's
Exactly.
so happy, Nikita. She keeps on weaving. She keeps on making new things for her house. She cooks. Oh my God, she loves cooking and she cooks different. Oh, by the way, she has just sent me a kiss. Go fashion whenever. So
Oh,
she
hi.
loves. Yeah, she loves all
Yeah,
of
we're
that.
talking about you.
She loves doing that, and there is nothing wrong in that, right?
Exactly. It's not. It's her life. If she's comfortable, she's happy. Let her be.
Let
And
her
that
be.
is feminism.
That is
Let her
feminism.
be.
Let her be. Correct. We shouldn't do not judge people. I think that's the only thing. I mean, we should just stop judging and also help girls. I always say this, Kak, if you can help underprivileged girls, if you can help those women who are out there if you see just in your village only or in your town, if you see that somebody is not getting support in her education or support in going out for a job, maybe you can help her, talk to their family or financial help. That is the real feminism.
Exactly. So I remember, Shivani, we had a maid at our house and she started bringing her daughter to work. And the daughter was really small. She was like 6, 7 years old. But maids are like that in India कि हम अब बेटी को भी तो यही करना है, तो मैं इसको साथ में ले आती हूँ. तो okay, Khushbu has a big point. More
Yeah.
than being judgmental, we need to understand everyone has their own choices in life, and the most we can do is let people live the way. Exactly. That's what we are trying to say, Khushbu.
Yeah.
So that maid started bringing her daughter, and my mother is a teacher, and everywhere she starts this thing. If she sees any child, she'll start asking कि कितना पढ़ा है तुमने बेटा, क्यों नहीं पढ़ रहे हो तुम? And because that's very important. So my mother decided that she will actually start teaching the daughter, and she
Wow.
used to do that because she had free time. वो दोपहर में वापस आ जाती थी, and maid was, so she was like कि बेटी को यहीं छोड़ दो, I will teach her. So she used to teach her. I don't remember फिर उसके बाद क्या हुआ, but yes, these are the little steps we can do. We can pull women up. We can
Yes.
brand each other. We can help them, uh, and we can empower them to be equal as men. So it's
As
not a race against men. It is just we are in same boat. We just want to be have equal choices
equal
and
rights.
rights.
Yeah, we don't want to say that women are better than men. That's another point of feminism, by the way. So I
Ha,
keep a
ha.
lot of, my God, on Twitter, women say that we are better than men. We can do this better than men. Why not we do it only? That is not feminism. Then you have just taken off the real
Exactly.
idea of feminism.
It's a competition then, and
It's a
it's a
competition.
bad feeling then.
वही हो गया
When
है.
you cannot kick someone down and then expect कि आप उस चीज को ऊपर कर दो. No, it's not like that. It's just that as simple as हमारी छोरियां क्या छोरों से कम है. It's
True.
as
It's all
simple as
about
that.
equality, and also what Khushbu has mentioned, a very good point, that let people live. I mean, as you mentioned, Kak, about your thing. Oh my God, I can tell you mine. Though you can't even believe how many things I. You remember when I had cut my hair short? The kind
Yes.
of dialogues that I heard, I cannot tell you. इस उम्र में तुमने बाल काटे हैं, क्या करोगी बाल काट कर, कहाँ जाओगी बाल काट कर, एंड कैसे कपड़े पहने हैं, क्यों पहने हैं, तुम अकेले कैसे जाती हो. बाय द वे, नाउ दैट अकेले जाना इज अनदर थिंग. तुम बाहर ट्रैवल करती हो अकेले, पक्का कुछ करती होगी ये लड़की. अकेले क्यों जाएगी
हाँ.
अदरवाइज.
Yeah.
करती होगी, मतलब क्या करती होगी, स्मगलिंग.
It's very common. If a man gets promotion, they are like congratulations,
Oh, yes.
congratulations. If a girl gets promotion, she'll be like, manager के साथ बातें होती
And
हैं.
and it is very common का ऐसा होता है. Even sometimes I think unknowingly शायद हमसे भी कभी कभी गलती हो जाती है.
होती है, मैं वही कह रही
होती
हूँ.
है.
वही the problem is कि वो गलती होती इसलिए है क्योंकि there is a certain you know
Mindset.
mindset. उस माइंडसेट को चेंज करने में बहुत टाइम लगेगा, बहुत टाइम लगेगा.
बहुत.
लेकिन आई एम हैप्पी दैट इट इज हैपनिंग. I'm happy that guys are raising voice. I'm happy that men are actually voicing against pseudo feminism.
Pseudo
Men are
feminism.
voicing against male chauvinism. So that's a good thing.
That's a good thing. And we
But
should
then,
notice it.
but then we have to also, how do we draw that line between feminism and pseudo feminism? हम किसको बोलें कि
Uh,
this is going out of the line?
when you start bringing the other gender down, I think that is where we need to draw the line. The moment you
Yeah.
start bringing the other gender down, I mean, that is when you say, okay, this is what pseudo feminism is. You are not supposed to bring the other gender down. Your dads have supported you. My brother, I mean, he supports me like anything. Though he's 14 years younger to me, but he supports me like seriously, Kag, even financially, even anything, emotionally, mentally. Men are
Same here.
changing now.
Same here, yeah. I
Give them
don't
their
think
credit.
I don't think my brother is also expecting to bring a wife home who will cook for him and do ghar ka jhadu pocha. He's not, because my mother is very clear about it that if I am doing certain thing, you are also supposed to do things. This is a lockdown situation. Everyone, we don't have maids, and we have working women trapped in houses. So now men are realizing that okay, we also have to do a lot of work. So I think now they are changing. Men folk are very clear that it's not going to be her responsibility. I
Yeah.
have to help her. I have
So,
to take half
yeah.
responsibilities.
Kak, Ash Fame has mentioned a very good point. Okay, so his name is Ashish. He's a friend of mine. I mean, he's my sister's husband.
Okay.
So he has mentioned a very good point that having a male talk on the subject will catch the attention of other men who needs to unlearn. That's what we were talking
Very
about,
true.
Ashish. Ki there are
Very
topics where, yes, there are topics where women need support of men. There is a huge change that is required in the mentality. That's what even Kak has given her examples about, about the car. अगर लड़की ड्राइव कर रही है तो बहुत बहुत आराम से हम लोग बोल देते हैं, अरे लड़की ड्राइव कर रही है ना, ऐसे ही होगा. प्रमोशन मिल गया तो बड़े प्यार से हम बोल देते हैं कि अरे इसने तो कुछ किया होगा, बहुत आसान है
हाँ,
लड़कियों को.
बातें करती है वो, ये तो उनसे. एंड
लड़के
इट्स वेरी
लड़के
डिफिकल्ट शिवानी कि जब
लड़के लड़के ऑन साइड जाते हैं कहा तो इट्स अ मैटर ऑफ ओ माय गॉड, मेरा बेटा तो ऑन साइड
प्राइड.
गया. लड़की जाती है तो अकेले क्या करेगी, जाके किसके साथ रहेगी, कहाँ रहेगी,
और
जरूर कुछ हो रहा
फर्स्ट
होगा.
क्वेश्चन है तो ऑन साइट प्रोजेक्ट मिला कैसे?
मिला कैसे. हाँ, तो
So it
इट्स
starts from there.
I completely agree to you, Ashish. There's a lot of change that is required. We are not denying that fact. But we here are talking about pseudo-feminism that has taken away the real idea of empowerment of women, of feminism. So we are fighting for that. And I'm seriously, Kak, I think I will start this crusade against this pseudo-feminism. I'm so vexed
I
up.
think
I'm so
every
annoyed.
feminist is actually, very, very tired of hearing this bullshit. So one of my friend, Shivani Venu, just mentioned, I wish the older generation is actually looking at this video right now. And it makes total sense. We are talking about people who actually all know all of this. We need to have different set of generation. Venu, I wish we could, you could put that on a TV and then Chromecast it so that everyone can hear this. But it's very true that the generation which we are focusing is different. Everyone on Instagram is a little younger, and they all are changing right now.
No, no,
They
Nikita,
all
my
are
mom is there.
participating.
She just joined, and I'm like, oh my god, why did she join? So
Your
now
mother is also on live?
No, not online. Thank God she's not here. Abhi.
Okay.
She has not joined. But she asked me last time that, जब भी तुम next time live जाओगे ना, मैं join करूँगी. I'm like, okay, I will tell you.
I,
So now
I I
they're
called my
doing,
mother. I called my
yeah.
mother and I was like, कि, Mama, I'm going live. And she was like, very nice. And what are you going to talk? I'm like, feminism. मैं क्या क्या बोलने वाली है तू? मैंने
Okay.
बोला, it's nothing like that. I'm just talking to Shivani. And she was like, okay, I'll also join. I think
Kak,
Pragyan is mentioning I
there's a
am old
comment for
Kak.
you. I'm old.
This is Pragyan.
This is Pragyan. Yeah, I know.
Yeah. No, you are not old until you marry. We are all waiting for your marriage.
And to travel to Northeast. Oh my God. Please, Pragyan,
Northeast.
please शादी कर लो. Please बुला लो.
और कोई बहाने से हम जा नहीं पाएंगे.
Actually. So guys, there are a lot of messages that me and Ka couldn't check
Yeah,
because we were so
very
engrossed
sorry.
in the chat. Khushbu has again mentioned one more point, Ka, that feminism is actually not about men and women. It's not about men and women being same. No, we are different. But feminism is about irrespective of the gender, we also deserve the same opportunity. I completely agree, Khushbu. There is a book, right, on this. Men belongs to Mars and women. There is a book,
Venus,
and
yes.
the book has very logical concepts where they describe that why men and women are different. And I completely agree. Men and women
Are different, yes, definitely.
are different. Yes, I completely agree. Hi to all of you, Sumit, Shruti, all of you guys who have sent hi. Hi, Priyanka. So nice to have you guys. We are so sorry we couldn't check the comments today because we were Nikita के
In a
साथ बातें करने
flow.
में इतना मजा आ रहा था. The points that she was telling was, they were fabulous. Nikita, आपने बहुत अच्छे points लेके आए हो. And can you repeat that first thing that you said? Feminism and pseudo feminism का difference, that one
So
thing
I
you
think
said.
it's a very simple difference that
Yeah,
feminism is something कि लड़की भी ये कर सकती है, and pseudo feminism is something that सिर्फ लड़की ही कर सकती है.
I love
So
that point, Nikita.
I think
And
that ends
yeah,
our feminism there कि हम it's not that ये काम या वो काम लड़की नहीं कर सकती या लड़का नहीं कर सकता. It's just that सब कुछ कर सकते हैं, जिसको जो करना है वो करने दो.
please karo, let people live, let them be happy. And also guys, please help women who are underprivileged. I'm again repeating it. सच में जिनको जरूरत है प्लीज उनकी मदद करो. डोंट थिंक के फेमिनिज्म के नाम पे, यू नो, आई नो देयर इज लॉट ऑफ नेगेटिविटी, बट प्लीज मत
True.
सोचो. जिनको जरूरत है प्लीज प्लीज हेल्प देम, either financially or the way Kak has given example of her mother. Anyway, I think anything is the way you are supporting your any woman is you know, a step towards empowering them. So I believe
Yeah.
that is the real feminism. And by the way, there are women who support real feminism, and we are against pseudo feminism. So please, there are a lot of women like us. So do not please feminism ko negative mat banao. Let's be positive. Let's empower our women and let's keep shining.
Let's be happy. Let's
Yeah,
proceed towards a better world.
yeah. Thank you, Kak. I think
Thank you so much, Shivani. I think I
yeah.
had a lot of fun.
Same here, Kak. I think Dubara we will do a session. I love talking to you.
Definitely.
Something on a similar topic.
Yep. Yep.
It was wonderful to have you, Kak. As always, I
Thank you so
love
much.
talking to you, and I love you.
I love you too.
Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you
Thank
so
you
much
so
for
much,
being.
everyone.
Yes, thank you so much. Bye.